To protect your WhatsApp account, you first have to navigate to the top right corner where you see this three dot and tap on it. A list of options will appear. Scroll down until you locate settings and click on it. Then you'll be redirected to an interface like this. Proceed to tap on account, and this is where the magic will happen. Now for us to secure our WhatsApp account from hackers, you first have to turn on the security notification by tapping on this and make sure it's toggled on, and then you have to navigate back again and make sure you've enabled the pass keys on your WhatsApp account. So this is another layer of security beyond the two-step verification. So for those of you who don't know what the two-step verification is, I'm going to show it to you in some few steps. And you have to also turn on the email address by inserting your email address here in order for you to be notified in case anyone try to get access to your WhatsApp account without your knowledge. And then the two-step verification gives you another layer of authentication so that you have to insert a PIN for you to get access to your WhatsApp account. So of course, this is the top 4 things you should do in order for you to secure your account from hackers on WhatsApp. And if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.